We are going to do bridge battling today. There's a lot of different teams. I'm just getting them ready. First, we're doing a black and white team. Here's the black. They're all black. Here's the white team. There's pink and gray, too. That's just the white team, though. Oh! I hope they don't kill their own team like they usually do. I hope the white team wins. I vote on... Oh! Forgot to close the gate. I vote on the white team. And Lucas does, too. Here's our first guys. There's only 3 white guys and 4 black guys. Yes! The white's not dead yet. Oh! Well, there's still more of the white team. Oh! They're all dying. Oh! They died. Let's see who's the winner of the black team, though. We have a lot of rounds to do. Oh! This guy won. The black with red. The normal habitat mutation. So, black with red wins, not the white team. The black team wins. I lost my bet, jeez. Now, we're going to do probably, I think I'm going to do blue against red. There's a lot of blues, actually. 6 blues, 3 reds. So, yeah. Blues start over here. I don't know who I'm going to vote for this time. That doesn't count. Nobody's battling yet. Wait, I gotta close these gates because I'm turning them on. Okay, open them up. Time to battle. Da, 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 da. Oh, all the red team lost at the same time. Who is the winner? Who's gonna win? And next time, there's going to be a final round of all versing each other. There's going to be a white team and a black team. The blues are going to be on the black team. Red's going to be on the white team. I still got 6 nanos left. Which one's going to win? Which color is going to win? Number 2 or a turquoise with orange? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? I think this one's gonna win. Yes! He won! He's dead now, too. Well, he's actually not. He's just kind of burnt out a little bit, but he still works. I just got the speed cover on that makes him go faster at least. That's what these things are for, those spike covers. It makes it go faster. If it wouldn't have it, it wouldn't be fast. The blue side goes with black. This side goes... Well, the yellow is going to be on the green side. And all these ones are going to be together. Got to close the gates. It's kind of tight. Oh, I see why. This thing's not attached that good. Now this time it'll be even. The orange one's going to be on the purple side. This one will need help. Oh, getting through the gate. Okay, let's open. I hope the orange wins because I don't want him to fall off. because I'm scared he might break if he does. I gotta help him get up because he can't himself. He's too slow. He's gonna win. Purple team or green team? Oh! Green team! Nope, this is purple team. Orange. Now, here comes the final round of all of them. So we gotta definitely close these gates. And we'll see who the winner is this time. And who's your vote? Who do you think is the best? Here we go. The black side's gonna be here. Remember, the blues are on the black side. Because there's like one of those in each series. Blue and a black. It's a little faster. Okay. Here's the reds. Green team is going to be on the white team. And the red team's on the white team. So these ones are with them. No, they're falling out of there. Okay, time to turn the white team on. I gotta open this gate first. We'll see which team wins. Who do you vote for? Oh. I hate these gates. They're too tight. Okay, now let's go. Gotta set them up. Ah! They flipped this around. There's one that's lost. Black. Who's gonna win? This is on the white team. That red. Here comes purple from the black team. Oh! Pink fell out. You're falling. Wait, this guy ain't going. Oh, the battery popped out. That's why. Oh. Oh, orange fell. There's 4 left. Oh, 3. Who's gonna win? White team! He won. Here's the winner, number 1. White team wins. I didn't keep track of who's second or third. I just kept track of the winner. That's the white one doing that noise. This one didn't even break when it fell. This guy's the winner.